Happy Saturday to everyone. Hope everybody's having a good day and enjoying this beautiful Saturday afternoon here. Once again in this beautiful sound of the waterfalls. Not only the waterfall, but the beautiful sun up there. Sunny day today, a good weather. Just wanted to drop by and give you a bit of a word of encouragement. Don't enjoy your day. Don't let anybody tell you what you can't and can't do. Have fun. This is a beautiful day. Just like this day, live happy, breathe happy. Don't let anybody bring you down. So anyway, hope you enjoy it. Hope everyone has a good day and love everybody. Peace.